Hello students, this is Dr. Balpreet Kaur, Associate Professor in DIPS IMT. Today I am going to discuss the scope and interdisciplinary nature of consumer behavior. Scope of consumer behavior, and the first point is consumer behavior and marketing management. Every business manager realizes the importance of marketing to the success of their firms. So a sound understanding of consumer behavior is vital for the long-term success of any marketing program. So before taking any marketing decision or before planning any marketing or formulating any marketing strategies, the organizations have to know the needs of the consumer and to analyze the behavior of the consumer before because the success of any business depends upon the behavior of the consumer. So this is the requirement of time to know the needs and wants of the consumer beforehand. Next is consumer behavior and non-profit and social marketing. In today's scenario, like profit organizations, the non-profit organizations, for example, government agencies, charitable institutions, and universities, have to market their services, products, or ideas to the target group of consumers. So these organizations also make their contribution towards eradication of the problems, means the problem which the society is facing. These organizations work for the benefit of the society, hence a clear understanding of consumer behavior and decision making will assist their efforts. The next is consumer behavior and government decision making. In recent years, the relevance of consumer behavior to government decision making has also been realized. So the government provisions of public services include like health services, education facilities, can benefit significantly from an understanding of consumers or users who are using their services. So before taking any decision to provide services or to provide goods, the government undertakings also analyze the behavior of the consumers. Next is consumer behavior and demarketing. So first of all, we will discuss the meaning of demarketing. It means the use of advertising to decrease the demand for a product that is in short supply. The demarketing word is opposite to marketing. Marketing means promoting the product, whereas demarketing is to advertisement to decrease the demand for a product. So how the consumer behavior is interlinked with the demarketing, as the consumers are entering in the era of scarcity of some natural resources. There is a shortage of some natural resources like water, gas. So there is need of conservation rather than consumption. The society have to take decision to save these limited resources. The consumers have been encouraged to decrease the use and to stop the use of particular goods believed to have harmful effects. The companies also design various programs to reduce the drug abuse and gambling. These actions are taken by the non-profit organizations as well as by the private groups. The last point is consumer behavior and consumer education. Consumer also stands to benefit directly from analysis of their own behavior. So before taking any decision, consumer also need to have analyze their own behavior. For example, when a consumer learns that a large portion of their income spent annually on grocery products is used for impulse buying. Impulse buying means कि आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट परचेज करते हो विदाउट एनी प्लानिंग, प्री प्लान नहीं होता. आप शोरूम में गए, आपको प्रोडक्ट अच्छा लगा तो आपने इमीडिएटली प्रोडक्ट को बाय कर लिया. अगर हम अपने आप को एनालाइज करें तो हमें लगता है कि हम अपनी इनकम का ज़्यादा पार्ट अपना इम्पल्स बाइंग पे खर्च करते हैं. विदाउट एनी प्लानिंग हम प्रोडक्ट बाय कर लेते हैं. So by understanding their own behavior, consumers have got an opportunity to reduce their expenses. Next is the importance of consumer behavior and how the consumer behavior is important or essential for taking decisions about production policies of the organization, pricing policies, and decisions regarding channels of distribution, sales, promotion, etc. First is production policies. Consumer behavior affect the production policies of the enterprise. Habits, taste, preference, and what the consumer expect need to be analyzed before producing a product. So the enterprises have to be in touch with the changes in the needs of the customer and taste of the consumer. So all the changes in taste and preference of the consumer are to be analyzed, and products are to be produced according to needs of the and taste of the consumers. Next is price policies. The buyer behavior is equally important in taking decisions about the pricing policies of the organizations, because the buyer of some products purchase only those products which they found cheaper than the competitive products available in the market. So the pricing decision of the company also depends upon the behavior of the consumer. Next is decision regarding channels of distribution. There are basically two types of channels of distribution. One is economical and second is some expensive. So the products of low range are to be distributed through economical channels of economical channels of distribution, और जो high range products है they are preferred to be sold through expensive channels of distribution. The next is decision regarding sales promotion. What motive prompt the consumer to make purchase decision, so that the same are used in the promotional campaign to motivate the consumer to buy the product. आपने वो चीज एनालाइज करनी है कि कंज्यूमर को क्या एकदम से मोटिवेट करता है, क्या चीज आपके जो आपके प्रमोशनल कैंपेन में आपने कौन सा एलिमेंट ऐड करना है, कौन सा कंटेंट प्रिपेयर करना है, ताकि जो आपका कस्टमर है एकदम से एड को देखते ही प्रोडक्ट को बाय करने के लिए रेडी हो जाए. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सप्लॉइटिंग marketing opportunities. Study of consumer behavior like taste of the consumer, preference of the consumer will be useful to the marketers in exploiting the marketing opportunities. Next is consumer do not always act or react predictably. In the past, the consumers think that the price and quality have positive relation, but today's consumer willing to buy a high quality product or superior features product at a low price. They are not willing to pay more price for a product. The next is highly diversified consumer preferences. A shift has been occurred in the demand of the buyers due to availability of more choices. Now the consumer have unlimited choices, so which also affect their purchase decision. So जो marketers हैं और जो organization है उनके लिए यही एडवाइस है कि before taking any decision, any production decision, or before producing any product, they have to analyze the preferences of the consumers. Next is rapid introduction of new products. In the rapid changing technological environment, there is need to know the behavior of the consumers in terms of their needs and wants. अगर हम COVID-19 की बात करते हैं, every student, whether he or she is in LKG or UKG class or he is in master degree, they also have need of mobile phones or laptops for attending their classes. So this is the need of time. Implementing the marketing concept, the identification of target market before production becomes essential to design the product, so the consumer gets satisfied and feel delightful after consuming the product. The next topic is 5 interdisciplinary dimensions of consumer behavior. So there are various factors or disciplines which have effect on consumer behavior, like economic factors, psychology, sociology, socio-psychology, and cultural anthropology. So first of all, we will discuss the first point, economic. There are various economic factors, जैसे आपने economics already पढ़ी हुई है. तो हमारे कौन कौन से factors होते हैं? Demand of a good, supply of the good, income of the consumer, and purchasing power of the consumer. So these are the factors which affect the buying behavior of the consumer. अगर किसी पर्सन की इनकम कम है तो वो कम परचेजिंग करेगा, अगर किसी की इनकम ज्यादा है तो वो उसकी परचेजिंग जो रेट है वो एज कम्पेयर टू लो इनकम ग्रुप ज्यादा होएगा. So the next point is psychology. Some psychological factors also affect the buying behavior of the consumer. For example, need of the customers, personality of the customer, perception of the customer towards the product. As you know, some people have positive perceptions and some have negative perceptions. So if we take one example, एक ग्लास में हमने पानी फिल किया हाफ, ठीक है. तो मैंने 10 स्टूडेंट से पूछा, उसमें से 5 का आंसर मैंने पूछा कि ये ग्लास कितना भरा है. कुछ बच्चे कहते हैं कि मैम ग्लास इज हाफ एम्प्टी, कुछ कहते हैं हाफ ग्लास फुल. So there is perception, there is difference in the perception of the customers, which also affect the needs of the customer and their consumer behavior. The next is sociology, class to which the consumer belongs, esteem needs, reputation and status of the consumer also affect the behavior. Next is socio-psychology, behavior of the group, norms of the group, role of the leader also affect the buying behavior of the consumer. The next is cultural anthropology, like beliefs, values, customer attitude towards the wealth, like how much money he is willing to spend, joint family system, caste system. All these factors affect the buying behavior of the consumer, and these factors which we will discuss in detail in the later videos. So hope my lecture is clear to all the students, and thanks for patiently listening.